Hi, folks. Hope everybody's doing well. Um, you're all doing a great job so far. You only have one more week to go. 1 week and 1 day, actually, 1 week. Um, and I wanted to show support by wearing my Kenya hat as well as my shirt. Here, I'll put it this way. This is the basic design. It's not the exact representation of the Kenyan flag, but it's very colorful. But this is a Maasai shield and spears, and I forgot what the colors represent. I know this is the blood they shed for independence, and that's the land. And I don't know what the black. Oh, the black is the people. Anyway, um, and I'm going to take this off because I don't like it. It's ill-fitting. Anyway, we're following your presentations are graded, so make sure you get those. A couple of you are turning them in late with permission, so no worries there. But this is the final week, final workshop on the final research papers. And we're basically following the same format except for the final submission date. So Wednesday you should submit your rough draft to your partner. You have been partnered up, and I think you've been following that format. Submit those no later than 11:59 p.m. Wednesday. Critique them no later than 11:59 p.m. Friday. And then your final submission date is Monday at 11:59 p.m. So you have an extra day this time. And I'm going to do things a little differently, folks. This time I'm going to comment on your rough drafts. And I will email my commentaries, my critiques to you at some point. So look for those. I think that will be much more helpful to you than to get final comments on the final research paper, because then it's already done. So I'm going to if I'm going to do it that way, then what I'm going to do is just post a final grade for your final essays, because I will already have commented on your rough drafts. So anyway, that's it. Good luck, and if you do have questions or concerns about your final essay, then feel free to email me, and I will get to you as soon as possible. I'll be checking diligently my email this week. So good luck, and see you online.